Here we are on the west side of the garage, the exterior. Electric meter, it's got the slide on it. It's pretty good. Videos from the first inspection. This is the 1-year inspection. There's a lot of duplication. Maybe I can offer some explanation. This is L1 and L2 coming into the home. This is aluminum cable. It should have been sealed with antioxidant paste, according to the Texas Real Estate Commission. Now, sealing aluminum connections with antioxidant paste is primarily for lower voltage, not the 220 that's here coming into the house. The cables that are lugged in, most electricians will tell you that the antioxidant paste isn't necessary. The only reason I'm telling you about it, informing you about it, is the wording in my standards of practice by the Texas Real Estate Commission aren't quite so specific, and they lead you to assume that these are supposed to be sealed with aluminum paste, with antioxidant paste. And so it's going to naturally, it's going to make my report. So this is the dead front cover for it. We come inside, inside the garage east interior wall. And this is our cabinet. In the original inspection report, I made note that the cabinet had been screwed into place. And while it's true that nails have more tension strength, I have since read some installation instructions for a cabinet. One set of instructions for cabinets, one set of instructions specifically shows a hammer and a nail. But the other set of instructions shows a screw. And so at this point, I'm feeling, if you will, that it's up to the installer's discretion, most likely. And by the way, I can't find any written direction on either sets of instructions. There was only an illustration. Now the cabinet, there shouldn't be an 1/8 of an inch gap between the cabinet and the drywall. Okay? Shouldn't be an 1/8 of an inch. That's your fire blocking. You see how the cabinet fits straight on this. And this cabinet is supposed to hold a fire. If this thing melts down, it's supposed to hold that. When you have this gaps like this, right there, well, there's nothing to keep the fire from going into your wall. What else have we got? Air conditioning unit is properly fused. We have AFCI on the laundry. We have labeling, printed labeling, so that's good. Some models of Square D have been recalled, and this is not one of them. There's our UFER, which is considered to be our ground. Our grounding location is not labeled inside of the cabinet.